Hi, Elise. How is it going in Ethiopia? How is life in Addis with the COVID-19 situation?
Uh, Life in Addis is yeah, we are still surviving with COVID-19, with 200 plus cases, with more than 108 recoveries, and so on. And the measures have been put in place. The government and Ministry of Health have put measures in place like hand washing, frequent hand washing, stay at home, wearing mask whenever we go out, and schools are closed since March. So the measures have been taken, and people are responding to it.
How does this situation affect the women and children in the program of Ilanga?
Especially the vulnerable communities have been affected by these measures, because if they cannot go out and work, this means there is no food. There's no way of getting money to buy food for themselves and their children. And also, the children schools are closed, and their children used to get one or two of their meals from school, but now they can't get any meal from school. So it's difficult for families to feed their children, especially that the food is getting more and more expensive. Every day there is an increase. Like I can say it's been like more than 20% since the emergency states of COVID-19 have been put in place.
What can Ilanga do in this situation?
In this situation, as ilanga, we've tried to provide some food support, because as I told you, food is getting very expensive and unaffordable for most of the families. So we've been providing food. We have provided food for 58 families so far, with 180 plus children, which means 250 something individuals have been fed or received some food and sanitary support from Ilanga.
Elise, what do you plan to do in the next few months?
We are thinking of doing this if the funds allows us, if the budget allows us. We would like to keep this going at least for the next 6 months, because we can see that the effect is going to go on until at least the 6 coming months is not going to be easy. The situation is not going to be different.
What was the response you got from the people you were handing out food?
People were very happy. This lady, as you know, we work with single mothers, and these mothers, they were so much happy, because some of them received their food even when they did the day we distributed food. Some of them didn't even have dinner, and they were like, we do not know if we could have been able to feed our children today. So they said, you saved our lives, which means that our food contribution is saving lives of mothers and their children.
That's really, I'm happy to hear that. So I hope we can keep going and supporting these people.
Yeah,
Thank
that's
you
my
so
hope
much
too.
for doing such a great effort, and we are looking forward to see you and talk to you soon again.
Yeah,
Ciao,
thank you
Elise.
for being there too.